Mason just woke up from his nap and he's getting very distracted right now. I'm trying to feed him and he's just like, what are you doing? What is that? Here. Are you gonna eat? He's just staring at the camera now. I'm gonna put the camera away and finish feeding him, and then we will get the vlog started. My Instacart order for the week just got delivered, so I want to do a little grocery haul from Sprouts. So let's share what we got this week. Bananas, because if you guys watch my Instagram stories, I've been on such a banana nut muffin kick, so I like buying these. I'll eat a few and then the second bundle I'll wait until it gets super ripe and then I'll make like banana bread or banana nut muffins with it. I got cantaloupes, halos. I love these for packing them for Ross for work and for me too. They're just such an easy snack. These are peppers because I'm gonna make chicken fajitas for dinner tonight. Apples, onions. Mason's crying. It's almost nap time. Let me go grab him. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I'm holding Mason, so doing this with no hand because I'm holding him with one hand and then the camera with the other. So I'm just gonna, actually wait, I think I can hold this. Just kidding, I can still hold it. Just note, if it's a little wobbly, it's because I'm holding Mason. But we got strawberries, yeah, apples, onions, I can't even remember what I already said. Avocado, these Chobani protein smoothies. I loved drinking these when I was pregnant. Still like them now. 2 things of cold brew. Another big thing of Greek yogurt. I've been making yogurt bowls and I really like those. Eggs, chicken, ground beef, little cheese sticks, baking soda for baking, green beans as a side for something I'm doing, pasta sauce, brown sugar and cane sugar. This is just also for baking. A couple of fun little beverages. I really like drinking yerba mates for a more natural way to get some caffeine later in the day. And then I got this one too. This is strawberry hibiscus. And oh yeah, awakening orange. And then this is just another fun drink to try. I've never tried this before. Prickly pear hydrating drink. I don't know. Looks kind of fun. And I always like trying new drinks at Sprouts because they have so many fun little beverages. Got some coconut rolls. These are so good if you've never had them. I love them. They're like a really light, delicious snack. Also, these are literally peanut M&Ms without any dyes. So love these. Got some seasoning packets because these just make my life so easy. So I don't have to like mix up all the seasonings. They're organic, so there's nothing extra. Just like the seasoning blend that you would add one by one, except now all I have to do is just pour this on top. So orange juice, of course. Corn tortillas, because I needed a gluten-free option for the fajitas tonight, so we're gonna use corn. Sourdough hamburger buns. I love their sourdough bread, so we got one of these. Mason's kicking the camera around. More parchment paper for baking. Some Parmesan cheese, and last but not least, oh wait, also some Annie's Natural cheese. Hold on, I'm almost done, Mason. And then last but not least, this bag is just full of coconut water because I'm obsessed. I know. Are you tired? So that's everything. I'm gonna put all this away really quick and then I'm gonna get him down for a nap. We got this baby blow up pool over the weekend for Mason, so I'm gonna fill this up with some water and see if I can set him up out there with some bath toys. Be a fun little activity so I can get some sun and he can play. Moments like this where I'm like, do I put him down and use this time to work out, or do I just like soak it in because I love when he sleeps on me? I usually choose to just let him sleep on me. It just feels more important. So since he's sleeping, I'm just gonna do my workout later and I'm gonna prep for dinner right now. So I'm doing chicken fajitas, like I said, so I'm gonna just start like cutting up all the vegetables and everything for it and get the chicken ready, and then when it's time to saute everything. So when it's time to actually cook it, everything will just kind of be ready to go and it'll be really easy and fast. We'll jump. Here's my newest plants. Got a few little ones, and I got these terracotta pots because I'm gonna paint them like I did this one a while back. I'm just gonna do like different designs on all of these, and then we're gonna put them up on our little plant stands that we recently got, because right now we just have like random plants that we had already, and I want to like replace these with really cute personalized painted pots. I just feel like it's gonna look really nice. So now that Mason is awake, I'm gonna change his diaper really quick. I have a bottle heating up, and I'm gonna use that time while he's drinking his bottle to jump on my Peloton and get a quick workout in. Okay, I love these messages. Peloton gets me so hyped up. Now we just have to do it this week too. So that was actually a personal best for me. Pretty proud of myself. And I also just love that my personal best was to a Justin Bieber ride because it was so good. Got some oil heating up on the cast iron, and we are going to get this started. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. Having some breakfast and pumping. I've been mainly nursing him, and so I'm now like just putting my milk, minus like a bottle. I'll keep like one bottle on hand in the fridge, but the rest of the time I'm just like putting it in the bags now. So we're building a very small freezer stash. I really do not produce much more than what I need. So like I think I only have like 3 bags in there right now. So this will be number 4. What's today's date? I literally can't even remember what day it is. Okay. Ah! That's a mama. Mama. Just try and get a quick workout in. And Mason has been like extra needy lately because he's just teething and he just wants to be held all the time, especially when he gets tired. So I just like decided I would wear him and try and get a workout in. But then he started getting really fussy, so I took him out of the carrier. Now he's asleep, and I don't even want to mess with this right now, so we're just gonna call it quits after that. Maybe I'll jump back into it again later. A bit later, we just finished eating dinner and I just cleaned all of that up, didn't vlog it. Things got a little chaotic with Mason, but all good. Ross is giving Mason a shower now. We're gonna watch Big Mistakes, that new show on Netflix. I'm obsessed with it. It's directed by Dan Levy, and I love him and I love Schitt's Creek. So if you haven't seen it, it's so good. Like, it's really, really funny. So we're really enjoying that show. So we're gonna watch an episode of that tonight. just hang out. Mason and I are gonna meet Ross at the beach after he gets done work, so I'm just getting everything ready, packed up in the car, and we're gonna load up and go. I love these little swaddles that I had put on my registry for him. I didn't use them too much when he was first born because they're really thin, but they're literally perfect for the beach. And I used them a few weeks ago when we were on the boat, and they're just like perfect for him. Got a couple of towels packed. Gonna pack some waters too, and then I just threw some cantaloupe in here. That way we just have it for a little snack.